Hey guys, it's Silver Seeker, and today we are doing something really cool, guys. If you look under the coin scope, we have this tarnished silver eagle. If you look at the top of it, you can actually see the tone that's in the coin cam in the bottom left corner. Guys, I'm going to remove that tone with just household products today. What you need to do this, guys, is salt, baking soda, a beaker with some water, and some aluminum foil. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So this beaker has warm water in it, 200 milliliters exactly. What you need to add to that is 20 grams of salt. So my scale is going to go off right as we start, so let me turn that bad boy back on. Let's weigh this up. We need 20 grams of salt. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect, guys. We're going to make it pretty close here for the video. It can be, you know, that's fine right there. 19.9. Let's make it 20. Why not? We're doing a video, right? There we go. Oh, 20.1. Not as perfect as we thought. Let's put that into the beaker. So we've added 20 grams of salt to the beaker, guys. Next up, we need some baking soda. So we're going to do 10 grams of baking soda. And this takes a little bit more because it's not... Ooh, I went way overboard, didn't I? So what we are going to do is pour that in as well. Now just leave a little bit of it out so it stays about accurate. Yep, there we go. So we put about 10 grams of baking soda into the beaker as well, guys. And what you want to do now is just stir this up. It's going to take you about 5 minutes worth of stirring, so just get started on it, guys. And we will be back in about 5 minutes. I'll pause this, and I'll be back when this is nice and stirred up. Okay, guys, we are back. This has been stirring for about 5 minutes now. You can see it's still spinning there. Now, that isn't going to 100% dissolve, but about 5 minutes of vigorous stirring is definitely going to get it pretty close to being where we want it to be. Now, next up, guys, all you need is a tray. So we're going to use this little Rubbermaid bowl here, and then some aluminum foil, like I said. So we'll just take one small piece of this foil, and we're going to bend it in half. You don't have to do that, but I'm just making room. And we're going to put it right here in the bottom of the tray. Now I want to show you how this works. So we are going to take the solution. We're going to pour this right into the tray. You want to make sure there's enough to totally cover a coin when you put a coin into the tray. Just like so. That should be plenty. Now next up, we need to put some rubber gloves on. So I'm going to put some rubber gloves on real fast. Alrighty, guys. Now I got my gloves on. So next step is to show you how this works. So we're going to take this coin here. If you look at the top, you can see there's definitely some tarnish at the edges. This is going to be our first one. The reverse on the bottom, there is also some tarnish near silver and $1. So if we put this into the solution, you'll notice that really nothing is changing. That tone is at the top there. We are going to place this now. Check this out. Tone is still there. We are going to place this now onto the aluminum foil and watch. And this is not sped up, guys. This is in real time. Wow, check that out. There's a little bit of a glare here, so I'll pick it up and show you. And we're going to do the reverse as well. Just keep it off of the silver so that the reaction happens. But check it out, guys. Look at that. And you can smell it. Look at that. That tone is completely gone from the coin. Check it out under the screen, under the coin scope. We will go ahead and switch over to the coin camera. And you can see that color is completely gone from the coin. Very, very awesome, guys. We got a couple of more eagles here. I didn't want to just do it with one. So here's another one. So this one has a much deeper toning around the edges, around 2001. This was in like one of those little tin holders. Nothing really on the back, but you can see on the front, and we'll look at it under the coin scope, and we'll do coin scope in full view first so you can see what's going on here. You can see the discoloration all the way around the edges. Alright, let's go ahead and switch back over. Alright, so we're going to place it next to the foil, but not on the foil, just so you can see nothing is happening there. Alright. The edges are still brown. Alright, now we're going to place it on the foil. And again, this is real time, guys. This is awesome. Check this out. And that quick. That quick. In fact, it's still working a little bit on one deeper spot. But that quick. Look at that. That darkness is completely gone. Let's go back over to the coin camera. Now there is a chemical reaction process that is causing this to happen. I don't know the actual details. You can see there's a little bit here. That one was pretty tough. It probably come out if you soak it for a little bit. I don't know the full details of how the chemical reaction works. I'm not going to act like I do, but it is super, super awesome. Alright guys, we have one left to do. Now look at this one. The back of this one is like dark. And then on the front of it, you can see same thing around the edges. This is the ultimate test of the process. So let's go over to the coin cam real fast and check this out. You can see all the discoloration all over this eagle on the reverse. So this is the entire coin that we are going to attempt to clean. And clean's not the right word. That we are going to attempt to restore the silver. So let's go ahead and flip back over. Alright. Here we go. First off, in the solution, so you can see nothing is changing. Same thing. Now let's put it onto the foil, guys, real time. Wow. That basically totally removed all of it. Guys, look at that. That is incredible. Let's take a look at it under the scope. Look at that. That is incredible. How quickly it removed that color. Guys, that is awesome. That is awesome. So there you have it. That is cool. Alright guys, thank you so much. Make sure you hit like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video, guys, and we will talk to you in the next one. See you later.